When it comes to living a long and healthy life, your diet plays a crucial role. While there's no magic bullet for longevity, numerous studies have shown that certain foods can help protect against chronic diseases, reduce inflammation, and promote overall well-being. Cultures with the highest life expectancies, often found in regions known as blue zones, share common dietary habits that emphasize whole, plant-based foods rich in nutrients. Let's explore some of the best foods to include in your diet if you want to live a longer, healthier life. Leafy greens. Nutrient powerhouses. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help protect against heart disease, cancer, and cognitive decline. They're also low in calories and high in fiber, which promotes gut health and helps maintain a healthy weight. Key benefits: rich in vitamins A, C, and K, high in folate and iron, packed with antioxidants. How to enjoy: add leafy greens to salads, smoothies, soups, or stir-fries for an easy nutritional boost. Berries. Antioxidant-rich superfoods. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants that fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and chronic diseases. They're also great for heart health, brain function, and supporting a strong immune system. Key benefits: high in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants like anthocyanins. How to enjoy: enjoy berries as a snack. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or blend them into smoothies. Nuts and seeds. Heart-healthy fats. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are excellent sources of healthy fats, fiber, protein, and a range of vitamins and minerals. Studies have shown that regular consumption of nuts and seeds is associated with a lower risk of heart disease and a longer lifespan. Key benefits: rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and plant-based protein, high in magnesium and vitamin E. How to enjoy: sprinkle them on salads, oatmeal, or yogurt, or enjoy them as a snack. Legumes. Plant-based protein for longevity. Legumes like beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas are staples in many longevity-promoting diets, especially in blue zones. They are an excellent source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients like folate and magnesium. Legumes help regulate blood sugar, reduce cholesterol levels, and promote heart health. Key benefits: high in protein, fiber, and iron, low in fat and cholesterol. How to enjoy: add them to soups, stews, salads, or use them as a base for vegetarian meals. Olive oil. The Mediterranean secret olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, which is linked to reduced rates of heart disease and overall mortality. It is rich in monounsaturated fats and polyphenol, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect the heart and reduce the risk of chronic diseases.